Guys, I got a pickerel.
Good morning, fishing family. How's everybody doing out there?
Hey, good morning.
Hope everybody's enjoying this great weather. What's today, Winna?
Today's our first fishing day out.
It is our first day on the water. Yeah. And what else is today?
I'm bringing out the new yak.
She is breaking out the new yak. It's the maiden voyage of the SS. She hasn't named it yet. We gotta get a new name like Baby Blue, Blue Ocean, right. Blue Magic, something. Right. But yeah, we're gonna be breaking out the new yak, kind of kicking the tires on that, plus taking the Hobie and through its paces, just shaking everything out today. So really today is a shakeout day. Of course we plan to dip the lines in the water and see if we catch anything, but really it's all about the kayaks today and just getting Winna's new kayak on the water and just doing a shakeout of the Hobie and all of the electronics and everything today. So we will see you guys on the water.
See ya.
So hey guys, we are here at the lake. That's the lake behind us. It's a little local lake by us, but it's a great lake for Win to kind of take her kayak on a maiden voyage. It's got a real easy launch, and it's not too big, and it's a lake we know, so it's a good shakeout lake for the kayak. So she's getting her yak ready, and then we'll be on the water. Win's getting her yak set up. So these are the new kayak things, learning how to secure the seat to the yak. So this is always a good thing in case you flip, you don't lose the seat. Okay, so get that nice and secure. All right, so you want it, so you want it tight enough to hold it. I mean, it doesn't have to be real tight. It's really just to hold it in case you flip. All right, okay. So now you can load this. Bag.
And the net. Bag.
It's a rod. Right. Okay, so you got your rod net, everything. Yeah. Now you can do this when you get on the water. You can do it now. Kind of figure out where you want, stuff tethered. And, we still have to figure all that out. Okay, fishing family. Winna is about to take the newest member of the Yak and Sons fleet out for her maiden voyage. You ready, Winna?
Yes.
You gave her a shakedown?
Right.
You checked that drain plug before you went out?
I did.
No, she didn't. I checked it. She would have sunk first time out. Key to all you guys buying new kayaks, don't ever assume that the drain plugs are tight when they're coming from the manufacturers, or if you're buying them from any of the retailers. Always double check those drain plugs and make sure that they're tight before you take the boat out for the first time and each time you get in the water. And so, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right, first time off Brooklyn Kayak FK285.
No matter what they say, not gonna get me down. Today is my day. Well, I've got my head up and my new shoes on. Inside there's a fire burning like the sun. No, I'm not gonna stop. And I'll be waving to my haters as I rise to the top. Woo!
Hey guys, so we've been out here for a little bit. I really like the tread on this kayak, the BK285. I haven't been able to catch anything on like artificial, but now I'm gonna like switch up to worms. It's just on my way to go and switch up for the worms, and then try to get some fish on here. Still got that skunk, trying to get it out. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we got a worm on now. Had a little bit of a loss of the fishing pole.
The interesting dilemma, guys. We're on here. I was just rigging up my brand new BFS rod for the first time that I got from AliExpress overseas, and as we were rigging rods, it fell in the water. No! So now we got to try to get it. So suffice to say, I don't care if I catch nothing else today. I need to catch my rod. Oh, man. Dirty. Whole boat's all dirty now. Oh, what a mess. Baby girl to the rescue. Oh, okay, hold on. All right, turn yourself back into the kayak. I don't want you flipping. Oh, she saved her dad today. Aww. Well, there's a way to start off the season. Little drama for you guys on the YouTube. And it's not a very expensive rod. It's just like when I got it, first time I tried to get it, I couldn't get it. I had to order it from AliExpress overseas. And so getting them is like hit and miss.
So I had to help my dad out. So now we're gonna see what these worms are gonna do. We can get the skunk out of the boat. Stay tuned.
It's so funny because I said to myself this morning is I don't have a float for this rod. I have a float for most of my rods, but I have a float for this rod. I said, I'm just gonna be doing some light fishing today. It's not gonna be that disastrous. We're not on big water or anything. And I said to myself, I should be fine till I can order some smaller size floats for this rod, and I had a couple of other ultralight rods I got to get the floats on for, and as fate would have it, so that always goes to show you how important that stuff is. Because like in a moment's notice, you know, I've done this 1,000 times, and but today was not my day. Almost lost a brand new rod that I've never even fished, and my first BFS rod. So that'd have been an interesting story. I think I heard Win said she had a fish on. What'd you get?
Guys, I got a pickerel. My first pickerel of the season. I'm in a little pickle now, right now, but I got myself a pickerel. He was just acting crazy a second ago. Ah! Alright, he's wigging out. Sorry about the jump, guys.
Oh, I don't know where you are. Is that your first pickerel? All right, good job. Where is it? You got it off?
Huh? He's in the net.
Okay. Yeah, they jump. Ooh, woo. Ooh.
There's no hook on this. He has it in his mouth.
Okay. All right, so with those, I mean, you can grab it behind the mouth, or you can use the grippers, yeah, because those have teeth. Okay, those have teeth. Are you gonna bring them? Okay. Yeah, you should always keep those close by. All right, where you go? No. Oh, no, don't. I'm gonna just hook them up so you can hold them and take pictures. Since this is your first ever.
Yeah.
I don't know where the hook is, so I don't want to.
I think it's on the side of his mouth.
Yeah, I don't know whether it's on the outside or inside or what. Oh, I see it. See if I can get it out for you, buddy. Okay, calm down and I'll get the hook out for you. Okay, there you go. Hook is out. It's on the donkey leash. Oh, whoa, you're leaning. Okay, just. Okay, give me your phone. I'll take a picture. You gotta unlock it.
No.
Right. 1, 2. Okay, let me take one with mine. Because they're like really, really slippery. I want you to hold it with the grippers and then, no, those open, pull them open from the back side, yep. And then just grip it down, put it in the tubes, and grip it, close it tight until it clicks. Okay, now try to grip it. Those are really slimy. It's probably the slimiest fish you're gonna touch in them. They call them snot rockets, like snot in your nose. Yeah, because they go so fast and they got all that snot on them. Okay, so, all right, hold on.
Choke it up.
I know, but this is only way to get a good release. Okay, you ready? All right, let's put them in and let them go. Oh, you could have put him out there, Win.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He'll go. All right. I was kind of anticlimactic because she released them under the boat, but that's okay. We'll get a better shot next time. But you got your first fish in the boat. Good job. Okay, baby girl's on again.
Hey, I almost had my second pickerel, but then it jumped up and took my worm and my hook. So now I gotta tie on a new one. But get back out there and try to get another one before heading in. See what happens.
He's got a third fish on today. Killing it. She's killing it today.
As I caught my bluegill. Can't leave them out today. Meanwhile, I'm still in another pickle again. But this is a pickerel. A bluegill.
Brendan's over here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord, have mercy. All right, catch a few fish. How you like, I'll just wreck that kayak. Okay, look at you. Huh? I want to catch a fish. Alright, let me get. Let's see. Hold the fish up. Let's see the fish. Oh, she caught her pickerel now. She's like, yeah, the bluegill's like, yeah.
Bluegill does?
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
You see the green stripes? Oh, what the heck? A pumpkin seed.
Oh.
It's part of the sunfish family, but that's called a pumpkin seed. You see those like blue electric stripes down it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's a pumpkin seed. So it's in the sunfish family like bluegill, but it's actually a pumpkin seed. Okay, guys, day one of our first kayak trip in 2021 is in the books. Not too bad. One caught, what, 3 today?
2.
Got 2, but 1 got away.
Yeah, 1 got away, yep.
Yeah, she had a pickerel that bit through her line, so she had a multi-species day, so she caught a pickerel and a pumpkin seed today, and I think the pumpkin seed was the first time you caught a pumpkin seed too, right?
Yeah, it was the first time.
Pretty cool. So how's the yak overall?
Overall, it's great. It's smaller, it's better for me. Shred's good. I really like it.
All right, so she says it tracks really good, so you kind of got a feel for it today, you know, what kind of tweaks you want to make, and so that'll be the next thing of us adding, you know, gear. She knows she now needs a cup holder that runs on the track, because a cup holder can't fit her water bottle, so she knows she at least needs that. But all in all, I mean, it was a beautiful day today. It's in the 80s, but the humidity is very low. We got a nice breeze every so often, and you know, the lake was just beautiful, so we were excited to be able to get out. But as always, thank you guys for all the support on the channel. Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
all right, see you guys. Stay safe. Bye.